Once again, welcome to Yummy Treats with Yes. I had took a little break because of my exams. But don't worry, now I am back. Today I am going to be making deviled eggs. Come on, let's go to the kitchen. To make deviled eggs, we need hard-boiled eggs, shelled and cut into halves. Some salt and pepper powder to taste, some dry herb mix, 1 to 2 teaspoons of tomato ketchup, 2 teaspoons mayonnaise, some chopped coriander leaves and a piping bag. Let's start by separating the yolks from the white in a separate bowl. We have to do this very gently and carefully. Otherwise, the whites may break. I have removed all the yolks from my white. They just look like tiny cups and boats. Now with the help of a fork, I am going to mash them nicely. Smash this. Now that I have mashed all the egg yolks, I am going to add salt and pepper. Now I am going to have the snapping mixed herbs. Now I am going to add the complete sauce. And mayonnaise. When we add mayonnaise, it will give a very smooth texture to the egg yolks. You can add any seasoning of your choice. Now let me mix this into a smooth mixture. You can also add chili powder if you like. Let me check the seasoning. It's perfect. Let me put this into a piping bag. This is the easiest method to put the mixture into the piping bag with the help of a glass. I have filled the piping bag with the yolk mixture and I am going to snip it now. Now I am going to fill my whites with the tasty yolk mixture. If you don't have a piping bag, no problem. You can use a spoon. Now I am going to sprinkle some chili powder in all the deviled eggs just for some color. Now I am going to put some chopped coriander leaves to garnish my eggs. Friends, my lovely and delicious deviled eggs are ready. I am going to plate them in this beautiful plate. Now I am going to serve this to my friends. I am sure they love it. Deviled eggs are also known as stuffed eggs, picnic eggs, rust eggs, angel eggs, etc. usually served cold as an appetizer or as an side dish. It's my favorite party food. Friends, now I'm going to taste my recipe. Friends, do you know something? When I was making this recipe, my brother finished my full ketchup bottle. The deviled egg was so yummy. Friends, thanks for watching my video and please subscribe to my channel.